Welcome. In this, we will see how we will migrate data from one data source to another. For that, we will use this module, that is data migration. We will click on this category, data migration. After clicking on this, we will have this page. In this, we have 6 simple steps which we need to follow, and our data migration is done. First of all, our first step is source and target. In this step, we just need to select our source database and then we need to select our destination database. First of all, we will select the type of data source we want to use as a source database. We have made a connection of MySQL database, so we will select the type as MySQL. In this, we will select the connection which we have made earlier. Here you can see all the credentials which we have provided while making the connection. After that, we will select the type of the target data source. We have made the connection of Vertica data source, so we will select Psychic Vertica. And in connection, we will choose the Vertica connection. After that, after filling all the source details and destination details, we will click on next button. Here you can see all the tables which we can see all the tables present in the source database. Whatever table we want to migrate, we can choose them accordingly. Like I want to choose these 3 tables and click on this, then click on next button. This is our migration. After migration, we have this 4th step, that is analyze and synchronize. In this step, we can analyze our tables, whatever we have selected in the 3rd step, that is migration. So in migration, we have selected 3 tables. So you can see in this drop down, we will see all the 3 tables which we have selected during migration. If I select this table, we can get all the information regarding this table. Like there are 21 columns in this table, there are 19 records which are found in this table, and here we have 3 categories like profile, mapping, metadata. In profiling, we can get each and every detail about this table. Like these are the columns of the table. Its data type, like int, like date, like text, all these are data types of these specific columns. Here we can see the visualization of each column, and after that we have all the records. In mapping, we can map the columns. These are the columns in mapping, we can select the columns. These are the columns in source data source, and these are target data source columns. And we can map that this particular column will store which column values. Accordingly, we can map these columns and we can select the data type. In metadata, we have all these columns and its data types and element classifications. After that, from here, we can select the batch size, that how many records we want to migrate at a time. Like if we want to migrate 5,000 records, we can select from here. After doing this, just click on next button. Here you can see all the 3 tables are ready to migrate. These are the pods. In the steps we will define pods. Pods are basically the machines. Like if we want to migrate our data faster, so we can add pods. We can put these tables into pods. We can put these tables in single pod also and or different pod also for quick data migration. After making these pods, we will click on next button.